Hi, welcome to the triangulation method of mapping. The Bharat Scouts and Guides, Karnataka, Kolar district, Sankalpa projects. So my name is Dhanush Kumar R. I am a Raja Puraskar rover, Swami Vivekananda rover crew, Government First Grade College, Malur, Malur Taluk, Kolar district. So this is a project Sankalp's digital scouting guiding activity. It's of making a challenge like a video tutorial, that is mapping. So what is mapping? Means map is a visual presentation of an entire area or a part of an area, typically represented on a flat surface, that is like charts papers or a drawing sheets or a ed sheets. So there are various methods of mapping. So like first of all, there are three methods are there. Road traverse method, triangulation method, and plane table method. So in scouting we uses these three methods of mapping. So today I have taken about triangulation method. So let's talk about triangulation method. So before doing triangulation method of mapping, we have to know some of the prior knowledges, like we have to know about directions, we have to know about compass and bearing, then scale, then some basic geometrical construction concepts. So in this triangulation method, some of the things we have to make sure, those are like requirements. Drawing sheets we have to know, the next pencil we have to be there, it has to be there, eraser, sharpener, compass and scale. So what are the various things to make sure available to make this triangulation method is, first one is we have to know the boundary should be visible. Boundaries means that is the physical area, means the physical area boundary should be visible so that we can make bearings, so that also need to be properly depicted in the paper. Then easily convertible means the area, means the physical area what you are going to choose must be easily convertible, and it is very easily can be depicted in the paper. And scale means what scale you are going to fix in order to make the physical area that is going to be having or in depicting in the paper. So this is the a rough sketch, that is how we are going to do it in the physical area. So first of all, when you go for a physical area, as I have said, there are various things you have to keep in mind when you are going to select certain physical areas. So first you have to point out 2 points in the physical areas. So those points you have to name them as A as well as B, and you have to find the difference, means the distance between the A and B, how much it is. So as a scout we always used to measure them through our bamboos, means bamboos is almost 6 meters of length and rope will be of 3 meters. By using those or other scouting tools we can measure the distance between the A and B. So here scale is matters very important. So how much scale you are going to fix when you are going to depict it in the paper. So as I have mentioned here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. It means 1 meter in the physical area, that will be equal to 1 centimeter in the paper that we are going to draw. So here in this diagram it will be of 10 meters, so that's why I have taken in the paper it is 10 centimeter. So then next, how in triangulation method we do means, by considering the various instruments or various conventional signs or conventional items that are appearing in the surfaces, by considering those points only we are going to do the mapping. So first one here, see, we have to do the we have to keep the complex on A and B points, and we have to make the referral directions. These referral directions should be in the north direction. So this gives us a guide, so that as it acts as a uh, angle for us. So when we make angles, it will be very useful. Then next, you have to consider the tree. So here is a tree in this, and there you have to consider one point. From that point, you can see that from A point you have to cross over the line direction line through that point. So see here it has crossed over, and from that angle you have to find out. This means the inner angle is about 45 degree. So from B also you have to mention the straight, you can draw there. You will mention it is of 135 degree angle. So see, there have you already the triangle has formed like this by considering the various points. Means here another point, and from A it has crossed, and from B there is another one triangle is formed, and there is another object, and there is another point. From A it crossovers, and from B also it crossovers. Like this, by finding the various angles, by finding the various objects which are nearer to these points, and we are going to make the mapping by considering those objects. Mm. So various important things when we are required while drawing the map means, first one, you have to mention the title. Title means what is the name you are going to give, means the various types of maps are there, the type of method you are going to use in mapping, or the area or the selected place by giving that name, that is the one that is the title. And show complex. So in every mapping, you have to show the complex that should be always in the north directions, and you have to mention the date and period, means at in which date you are going to draw the map, and at where place, and what is the period, means how many time, how much time you took to do that. And scale matters very important, because without scale we cannot make the proper exact mapping in the paper. So therefore scale is very important, and choosing the proper ratio of scaling is very important. And conventional signs, so as we know in scouting there are various signs like that matters very important, conventional signs. So there are various conventional signs for man-made and for natural things, so that we have to consider while making mapping, and those will easily helpful to understand. So these are the various things when we have to consider while making the mapping. So thank you, thanks for watching, and happy scouting.